Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. And today's video is not going to be a Nerf review, but I think it may be. I got a package from a fan, and it's rather massive. To Nerf Gun Reviewer 331, and I have my little shipping label here scribbled out a little bit, so you can't, so it's not like broadcasted. I mean, regardless, I'll type it in, but whatever. Anyway, let's start opening this package. I believe this is from a fan. I'm not entirely sure, but I believe it is because it has it has Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 right on it. it's my signature. Sounds heavy. Please do not cut my fingers. Okay. Now for the moment of truth. What is this? What magic has this fan brought me? Oh. Wow. This is unexpected. I already feel... I don't know how I feel, but this is the Nerf... Oh, this is the blow dart blaster. I never had this, ever. Clip loop. What's a clip loop? This is pretty cool. Alright, so it came with the Nerf blow dart blaster. Thank you, thank you. And what is this? Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, wait. This is the brain saw, so before I get into that, I want to see what else is down here. A gift for you. Oh my god, there's so many of these. Okay. Alright. There's that, so we'll put that there. Alright, it says here from Amazon, a gift for you. Hey NGR, Ian Center here. I have been your #1 fan! Exclamation point. My buddy DJ Lightning Rhino and I have been watching your videos since 2012. Keep up the great work. P.S. I was really interested in your STAP, which is Sam Talks About Politics channel, when it first came out, and now that you are older, it seems like it would be a perfect time to relaunch it. Actually, I would agree with that. I would love to, but at the same time, I've gotten to the point where I've actually started to really not like talking politics in front of people. But I can give it a shot. I can definitely give it a shot. There has to be some kind of Nerf drama to comment on. Thanks for everything. Well, Ian Center, thank you so much for this. I actually haven't done fan mail videos and... Oh wait, there's one more. Oh, it's just another Amazon gift receipt. Okay. So thank you, Ian. Thank you so much for sending the brain saw and the blow dart blaster. I will definitely get a chance to review both. I have actually just gotten done... I don't have this on Instagram, I don't have this on Facebook, but I have modified and spray painted one of these Nerf guns, or Adventure Force guns, and I also have a double strike that I still don't know where I put, but it was a modified double strike with a 3D printed attachment, modified and painted in camo and purple spray paint, I think. And also tried to implement some hydro dipping, which again didn't, like with all my paint jobs, didn't work. But regardless, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed modifying it, I enjoyed painting it, and I even tried to enjoyed doing the hydro dipping, even though it didn't go as well as I hoped. But thank you so much, Ian Center, for both the brain saw and the blow dart blaster. I am very happy, and I'm just so surprised there's so many good people out in this world. And just thanks so much, Ian. I don't know how to end this video, so I guess I'll end it here. Thanks so much, Ian Center, and DJ Lightning Rhino. Thank you for being just really supportive fans since 2012. And I don't know what to say after this, but thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. I will be reviewing these definitely sometime in the future. They are like what I usually do with any other Nerf gun review, if they're in new or relatively good condition, I'll definitely give them a shot to review, as long as it comes with everything. These two come with everything. Perfect. Again, thank you so much, Ian Center. Thank you so much. You know, as always, have a good day, night, life, and everything else. Hope you guys comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.